very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are going to be doing a vegan coconut granola pot. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. So here I have my previously made Keto Granola Nuts. You can scroll down for the recipe of the same, you will find a link. Coconut yogurt. I'm taking a coconut yogurt which is unsweetened. You would require a probiotic capsule, some cinnamon. So in the granola pot, I'm going to add my coconut yogurt. Lastly, I'm going to add some probiotic powder. So I've opened the capsule, I've added the powder into it. There you go. I'm going to give it a nice mix. On top of that, I'm just going to add cinnamon. You can also add some berries if you want, but I like to keep it a little simple. And there we go. That's a vegan granola pot. So our vegan coconut granola pot is ready. It's a super easy meal, guys. It's loaded with antioxidants, it's loaded with probiotics. That means it's going to keep your gut really strong. It is loaded with proteins. That means even though being a vegan, you get a great source of protein. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all my videos. Also request you to please like, share and subscribe the channel with as many friends and people as possible. Thank you so much. Looking forward to see you next time. Lots and lots of love.